Uh-oh, guys. AMC is not looking so good right now. It's about 12:45 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have AMC stock down about 5%, down 27 cents on the day. Now it's heading back towards $5 per share. So we have to do a quick update in this video, break down the charts, go over some key levels that I'm looking at, and of course, we'll go over what I'm looking to do with the stock, and maybe at the end of the video, we'll cover the market. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo because it is free money, and who doesn't like free money? Use that link down below or to the side, or go to stasrfs.com/Moomoo. And once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. And once you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And listen to this: once you deposit at least $1,000, are you ready for this, guys? You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want to help out the channel, get your free stocks from Moomoo. And now, cheers, let's dive into it. So again, guys, AMC stock is down around 5% right now, which is not the best, but honestly, it's not the worst either. We've seen crazier moves than this, but it is down again after being down for the past couple of days. You guys probably remember, because I covered this in my AMC video yesterday, AMC has been going down over the past couple of days, pretty much ever since they reported earnings on last Friday. You guys remember that, right? They reported earnings. The stock was at $6.20 that morning, and well, it's been downhill ever since. We hit $6.20 that day, then we went down to around $5.50 the next day. Then the next day we went down to about $5.50 again. Then yesterday we ended up taking the lows out from Tuesday, right? Tuesday we hit $5.50 roughly, and yesterday, Wednesday, we hit $5.40. And now, well, take a look at that. We're falling through the lows from yesterday. Again, yesterday we hit $5.40, and today we hit $5.19, and currently we're at $5.21. So essentially, guys, what we just did is we hit another lower low after making another lower high. You guys can see we've been doing, or making rather, lower highs for the past couple of days, and again, lower lows, as again, we just hit a fresh one at $5.19. So this is not looking so great for the bulls in the very short term, guys, on AMC. But if we pull the layers back a little bit, take a look at this, guys. We're still technically, even with today's big dump, we're still holding this trend. And mind you, we're holding the trend by a thread right now, and it could dump any minute. It could get worse and go under $5, which that would be, the break of the trend. But right now, we're holding it. And you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are holding the uptrending channel that we've been in pretty much since the end of March, middle of March, that general time period. So right now, this is the moment of truth for the bulls, right? We're right by the bottom of this channel, like I said, and we're right at the 180 SMA support on the 4-hour chart, which you guys can see. This is held over the past couple of weeks. So if we fall through $5 on the bottom side, let me actually set my alert mark is at or below $5. If we fall under that point, guys, it is not going to be pretty for the bulls. And I'm not trying to be a doomsdayer, not trying to freak you guys out. I'm just keeping it real, right? I'm just keeping it real. That's what I do on this channel. I don't, sugarcoat it. I'm not biased on, one side or the other. I'm just going to give it to you guys how it is based on the charts. And right now, again, this is the moment of truth for the bulls, right around $5, $5.20, 25 cents. Let's see what it does here moving forward. This could very well be a beautiful dip buy, a great entry point, but we're not quite yet getting the consolidation or the confirmation of a bounce. So for me, for that reason, I'm being patient. I'm playing it day by day, and I'm not jumping the gun quite yet because, again, we could still fall through $5. This is still a falling knife, and it could get worse. The last thing I want to do is hop into this as a trade and then watch it fall right through $5 and then boom, right back to the $4 range, because that's probably what would happen at that point. So for me, guys, I'm waiting for the confirmation. I'm waiting to see if buyers come in, if we start consolidating here at the 180 SMA, bottom of the channel on the 4-hour chart, and that's where I'm going to be looking for an entry point. So AMC is overall down now, let me see, about $1 from the recent high after earnings, so it's not that bad, but for a $5 stock, guys, $1 is roughly 16%. It went from $6.20, now it's at $5.20. That's a drop of around 16%. So it's almost in a bear market in just the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, including today. That's pretty nuts. So what do you guys think? Do you think buyers will come in here? Do you think we're going to fall through the floor at $5? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Time will tell, guys. And by the way, if you have not hit that like button yet, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, let's take a look quickly at what the overall markets are doing right now. It's currently around 12:50 p.m. when I'm making this video, and well, the markets in general are moving all over the place. What else is new, right? We have the Russell down around 1%. Let me pull that up and show you guys. This is the Russell 2000 index, guys. It's been hovering between, 1730 to about 1800 points the past couple of weeks, and that's still the range that we're in right now. If I zoom in, you guys can see that's pretty much been since the middle of March, around 2 months ago, that we've been in this range, and well, we're not really picking any direction. Of course, the bulls would love to see it break 1800, 1850, but we've tested that that point time and time again, and the bulls have failed to break it time and time again. So we'll see. And at the same time, we're still holding support at around 1740, which is a good sign for the bulls. But it's about time we get some direction. And now that I'm looking at this, guys, do you not see a head and shoulders forming here? This is probably not the best sign overall for the bulls, but that's what I'm seeing. We have the left shoulder right here, the head, boom. Then we have the right shoulder on the Russell. Let's see how that plays out. We have the Dow Jones right now. Where's that trading? That's also down 0.7% in the red right now. And it seems like if I clear the drawing set and get the good old channel tool, we're clearly still trading in this side, not even a sideways, more like a downwards channel that we've been trading in ever since November. Do you guys see that here? We've been trading here within this for months, and we've tried to break it out, tried breaking out of it time and time again over the past roughly 1 month. We've tested it many times, and we failed time and time again. So the Dow needs to break out of this channel. Will it do it? I don't know. Time will tell. Right now, it's about to fall under the 180 SMA on this 4-hour time frame, which is not good. That could be setting up for a dump all the way back down to 31, 32K, and maybe it gets worse than that. Time will tell, guys. So that's the Dow right now. Quick update there. And the S&P 500 is currently down about 0.25%. Not too bad, but of course not good either. And you guys probably know we've been struggling at 417 for quite some time. We're still struggling at that point, and today in the pre-market, if I pop the 5-day 5-minute up, you'll see we got rejected at 414, which happens to be the high from yesterday where we hit roughly 414, 415, and that's been the high for the past couple of days, right around 414. So we got rejected there yet again. We started to dump. We went down to 410. Now we're rebounding to 412, but we're still under a critical point of resistance here on the 5-day 5-minute, being right under the 180 moving average. So by the looks of it, guys, SPY is still struggling in the 410s, 415, that general range. And honestly, it seems like it's going to continue to struggle until it proves us otherwise. That is SPY, and pulling up Triple Q, which you guys probably know, tracks the NASDAQ 100. This is in the green right now. It's up 0.3%, doing pretty well compared to all the other indexes. And the ascending triangle we called out a couple days ago, well, that is playing out as well. We hit a fresh high today at $326.65. We took the highs out from yesterday, and now on the intraday chart, you guys can see we are heading towards the highs from the pre-market, and this could very well break out towards 327, 328. Maybe it starts going even higher than that. So this looks good, and a lot of this has to do with big tech. Big tech today is crushing it, guys. I'm not sure if you saw, but Google is up around 5% again after doing very well yesterday. Google's getting pretty overbought, I'm not going to lie. This rally is getting insane. But yeah, it's up to 120 now, doing very well. We have Meta doing fairly well as well, up 2% on the day. Amazon is up around 2% as well. And did we not call out this trade here, guys, on Amazon when it was at the bottom of this channel? It was at 100, 102, 105 when I was calling it out on Patreon. And by the way, make sure to go check out my Patreon, link down below, or go to stassurfest.com/Patreon. I actually just bought more stock in my Patreon portfolio today, so go check it out if you guys are interested. So Amazon, we called it out at 105, 102, 103. Now it's at 112. It's at the top of the channel, doing very, very well. As again, big tech in general today is crushing it. We have Netflix up as well. Some China Chinese big tech names are doing well as well. We have JD up 5.6%. Alibaba's up around 6%, so that's doing pretty good as they are set to report earnings. I believe Alibaba is next week. Yeah, 7 days from now. So next Thursday before the market, we have Alibaba and we have JD as well, I believe. Oh, no, wait, they reported today. Hold on a second. Let me see what they ended up doing. JD ended up reporting today. And are we seeing their numbers here on the live news tab? Yup. EPS came in at 69 cents versus the 50-cent estimate, so that beat by 19 cents. And revenue also beat, 35.38 billion versus 34.64 billion expected. Not too bad there for JD.com. So overall, guys, those are a couple of names I'm looking at in terms of big tech names and some thoughts on AMC and the market. So if you all found value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you guys as always. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, link down below or on the side here, or you guys can go to StasSurfAs.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat, and once you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And once you deposit at least $1,000, are you ready for this, guys? You get 10 more stocks on top of the 4 stocks, on top of the 1 stock, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.